Hello again, I'm Patrick Hurd, Principal Consultant at Community Business Australia, and welcome to our weekly blog. Today I'm delighted to be joined by Luke Mountford. Now Luke is a partner at HopgoodGanim, and it's a special time for us because it's a transition in some respects, which I'll explain further today. So welcome Luke, thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much, Patrick. It's great to be with you.
So Luke, as I mentioned, this is a transition. My colleague Joanne O'Brien, that we've worked with for over 15 years, has decided to take a backward step, not backward step, but it's not as involved much in the legal practice in next year. And so just tell us about that, what's happening in your firm and your relationship with us in 2023 and beyond.
Yeah, so Jo's decided that she will take a little bit of a step back from full-time legal practice, Patrick. She will remain a consultant to HopgoodGanim, which is really important from our perspective because Jo, in addition to having great relationships with her clients, is also, as I'm sure everybody knows, a real expert in particularly the not-for-profit sector and also in certain specific industries that are quite prevalent in that sector, and aged care is a good example of that. So while Jo won't be coming into the office necessarily every day, she will remain a consultant to us, and that's really critical because we'll continue to get the benefit not only of her relationships, but more particularly her expertise, and we'll be able to continue to draw on that as we continue to provide our services to clients moving forward.
Great, thank you, Luke. Now, CBA likes to offer our clients access to experienced senior consultants, particularly the CEOs that we work a lot with, and obviously boards. So, Luke, let's just learn a bit about you and the team that you have working with you at HopgoodGanim.
Okay, well, I'm a partner here at HopgoodGanim. I've been here for just over 20 years now and have been a partner since 2009. If you look at our website, Patrick, it'll show me as being the partner in charge of our private enterprise team, but don't be put off by that. I do act for clients who own their own businesses, but a big component of my practice as well over that past 20-year period has been acting for clients and organisations in the not-for-profit sector. So I've got a good understanding of that sector and have helped a number of clients in different industries within that sector. And my practice really is a very broad front-end commercial practice. So there's a lot of mergers and acquisitions activity that I do with my clients, again, in both for-profit and not-for-profit scenarios, but also helping in really the broad range of general commercial issues that those clients might encounter in the day-to-day operation of their businesses. So that might be clients who are looking to enter into a contract that they want us to review. It might be helping to organise, to update rather an organisation's constituent documents, or advising on the best structure or a restructure that we might be looking to implement to make sure that the client's operating within the optimal structure for its business. I'm one of 42 partners here at HopgoodGanim, so I do get the opportunity to draw on the expertise, the specialist expertise of a very broad range of services that we offer. So for examples of that might be relevant, particularly to CBA's clients or employment. I'm not an employment law expert myself, but we do have a team of about a half a dozen lawyers here at HopgoodGanim who specialise specifically in that area. So generally speaking, any commercial issue that confronts a client in their business, we're very well equipped to handle. And typically how I run that is make sure that I'm the person who maintains the relationship with the client and they know that they can call me, but I draw on that other expertise if that's what the client needs for the particular issue that's confronting them.
Excellent. And I was just going to mention that we've certainly called upon that employment expertise previously with some of our clients. It can often be a very tricky space. So great to have that experience. So look, thank you. You've answered my next question really, which was around the sort of team of support that you've got. And one of the reasons why we've had a really good association with HopgoodGanim is that you bring lots to the table for our clients, which is really beneficial, particularly for the small and medium clients that we work with right around the country. So if you'd like to know even more about Luke and obviously our association with HopgoodGanim, we'll have more information in our September newsletter, which will come out shortly in relation to this transfer to Luke and to obviously the ongoing support that we'll provide our clients. So look forward to talking with you further. We've got a series of blogs coming up over the next month. So Luke, thanks again for your time today.
Thanks, Patrick.
Bye now.